meeting of the Mobile County Commission. Do we have any speakers?
No one has asked to speak today, ma'am.
So will Glenn Hodge or Eddie Kerr, or either of you on?
Yes, Commissioner, I'm on.
Okay, would you proceed with the agenda?
Yes, ma'am. Number one, approve the resolution declaring an emergency or disaster as a result of Hurricane Ida, closing Mobile County Plaza and all county offices open to the public on Monday, August the 30th, 2021, waiving procedure and formalities otherwise required by law pertaining to the performance of public work, including but not limited to procedure and formalities set out in section 11-3-8 Code of Alabama 1975 and the Alabama Open Meetings Act related to calling and conducting its meetings, entering into contracts, incurring obligations, employment of temporary workers, utilization of volunteer workers, renter of equipment, acquisition and distribution with or without compensation of supplies, materials, and facilities, and appropriation of public funds, requiring that all department heads remain in Mobile County for the duration of the emergency, placing all employees on emergency alert status in accordance with policy number 200-04, the Mobile County Commission Disaster or Emergency Days Policy, appointing the president of the county commission to take other additional action she deems necessary. Number two. Oh,
We're gonna need a motion.
That's the first emergency resolution. Are you finished with that one?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so basically, that's all based on state statute allowing counties the legal authority to declare this emergency. And I mean, I didn't get this in advance, so I just wanted to make sure I understood exactly what we were doing here.
That is
Jay
according.
on? I know we're declaring a state of emergency, and but we still have essential personnel that are operating, and that allows for all of that to go on as usual, as has happened in the past. Correct? I mean, is there anything new or different about this one?
There's nothing new. The only difference would be the letter.
I can't hear you.
Connie, this is Jay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
I'm driving as well, but this is the same thing we've done before. The only perhaps slightly twist is that anything else that may have to be voted on, this wording gives the commission president the option to do that without calling a further meeting.
Okay, and we have actually done that before as well.
We have,
Okay,
yes, ma'am. So, right.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure it was a lot read there, and I know it's based on statute, but that I understood it all, and it was basically what we've done in the past. So, with that understanding and that said, I'll make the motion to approve.
And I'll second that motion.
Thank you. Number two, approve the taking of all action related to emergency as the commission may deem proper.
Hello? What was that?
Hello?
Okay,
I'm missing that.
go ahead.
Number two, approve the taking of all other action related to the emergency as the commission may deem proper.
I think here we need to discuss tomorrow, what will happen tomorrow. And before we do that, can we get an update on the weather? On what we're expecting from Hurricane Ida for our community?
I saw the EMA folks were on. Let me see if I can find them.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
All right, this is Ronnie Adair, Mobile County EMA, Mike Evans, Deputy Director. It appears from the reports we've been getting, an 11 o'clock report from the National Weather Service in Mobile, that this rain bands and gusty winds will be forthcoming through tomorrow. And whether it'll slack off by noon or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, there's no way to judge it at this time. So, you know, I relate it to what they told the school system was that it was going to be a stormy day all day. So, hope that helps.
With some certain
Yeah.
issues.
I think, and my question is about flooding. I mean, I think that's probably as big of an issue for us as anything. Since we have so many low-lying areas, so what's the outlook there? Anybody?
That potential's there. So far, the rain bands have been separated enough that runoff has been pretty good, that we only roads that we know of right now that are closed or shell belt down in the south part of the county, and Coden and part of the causeway going up to the bridge. But you know, it depends on after, you know, the hurricane's making landfall now on Grand Isle, when it starts making that right-hand turn, how much effect that'll have on us, we'll have to, you know, kind of wait and see. But so far, the breaks in the rain bands have been enough that the water seems not to be puddling and getting off the roads. But, you know, that could change at any moment.
Okay. So number 2, that is a separate resolution, and would you read it again? What does it say?
Commissioner, we don't have to adopt that. We put that on there in case something of concern came to any of the commissioners that you thought should be addressed. So we don't have to really
It just seems it really doesn't make a lot of sense to me. It's so open-ended.
And frankly, meant to be that way so that you could add something if you felt like we should. And if nobody feels like we need to add anything further, that we've covered it, then I think we could almost.
We've already given. I'm sorry, Martha. I didn't mean to. I was just about to say we've already given the president authority to make decisions.
Correct.
About without calling a meeting. So I was just wondering the necessity of doing that. So.
No, if no one has anything further, I think that you could go ahead with a motion to adjourn.
Well, before we do that, because we are here together and we've convened a special meeting, although I'm empowered to order the courthouse closed tomorrow, because we're here together, I thought it would be a good time that we could address that decision here.
Did we not do that in the motion? Was that not coupled in with that?
Not closing the courthouse. It was just, that was not a part of the resolution, I don't think.
Lynn, hasn't someone conferred with Judge Young, Peter, about that?
I conferred with Judge Young. I conferred with the city of Mobile, both of them.
Yeah, and commissioners, this is Jay. I have conferred with Judge Young Peter in the last hour and a half that he's going to close the courts for tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
All district and all circuit courts will be closed tomorrow for his conversation with me about 11:30 today.
I think we've
Would
already,
that necessitate action on our part?
I
now?
think number 2 in the resolution that the Mobile County Commission closed Mobile Government Plaza and all county offices, which are open to the public on Monday, August the 30th, 2021 until Tuesday, August the 31st, 2021 at 8 a.m. I think we've already approved.
Yeah, if we need to take an extra step regarding the courthouse specifically, but Government Plaza is closed based on that resolution. I agree.
And all of our county offices, okay.
Right.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the chair will entertain a motion to adjourn, if nothing else.
I will make the motion.
I'll second the motion.
Thank you, everyone, for pulling this together. Commissioner Ludgood. I know you're in person downtown, so thank you for handling everything.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Y'all take care. Be safe. See you Tuesday. Bye-bye.